When working with hyperlinks in a project, there's always the possibility of an issue arising where maybe you're linking to a website that no longer exists, or maybe you're linking to a topic where the name's been changed, or even a bookmark that no longer exists. You'll end up with something known as a broken link. And there are ways to view those broken links and to resolve them quickly here in RoboHelp. That's what we're going to talk about right now, continuing with our How to Use LDC Flash project, and we're looking at our memberships topic. Now from here you can see there are a number of links, there are bookmarks, there are pop-ups, etc. In the previous lesson we knew that we could actually view those links by just going to the topic itself in the topic list, right-clicking, and choosing Show Topic Links. There are no red lines here. If we did see red lines, we'd know there were broken links. Another way we might know about broken links, if we close this up, is to look at the Project Manager pod just below Project Files. There's a folder for broken links. And if there were any, we would see a plus sign next to this folder that we could expand to view those links. But right now there is no plus sign. There are no broken links. So let's create one. Let's say one of our bookmarks gets moved around or changed. We'll just right-click Annual Subscription. And we'll go down to Remove Bookmark and click that. Now all of a sudden, we're linking from the very top of our topic to a bookmark that doesn't exist. But so far, everything looks okay. There's no plus sign next to broken links, but we haven't saved our changes yet. When we click Save, or Save All of a sudden there is a plus sign now next to broken links. If we click that, we can see that it's actually part of Getting Started here, Membership, and Annual Subscription is missing. Of course, if we were to right-click the topic and go to Show Topic Links, we do have a red line now. And as we scroll down, we see it's going to a bookmark called Annual Subscription that doesn't exist. So that's a couple of ways to find out what the broken links are. Another option is to go up to the Tools menu. From here, you'll notice something called Resolve Broken Links. So if you do have them, here's where you might want to go to fix them. So we give it a click, opens up a Resolve Broken Links window where we'll see a list of them. There's only one. It's in the membership topic. And you can see over here that it's missing something. As we scroll across, we see the number sign, the bookmark Annual Subscription. So all we have to do is make sure it's selected, click Edit, and it will automatically take us to the topic. So no matter where we were, we'll arrive at the topic where the broken link occurs, and it is the annual subscription that needs to be bookmarked here. So we're going to click and drag over Annual Subscription and recreate the bookmark. So we can do that from the linking toolbar, for example. We'll click the little white flag. Annual Subscription will be the bookmark when we click OK. It's now been added. And if we right-click Annual here, on the hyperlink at the very top and look at the hyperlink properties, you can see it's actually linking to our annual subscription again. So we click OK. We'll save our changes because right now we're still seeing that broken link, but as soon as we click Save, there we go. No more broken links. If we right-click our membership topic and we go to Show Topic Links, the red line has disappeared. Everything looks good again. So we were able to quickly and easily resolve any broken links. Just keep that in mind as you continue to work with hyperlinks in your RoboHelp projects.